northeast of Gun Barrel City. I'll go in for a closer look there. And you can see it around Maybank, into Pauline, and just east of Gun Barrel City is where we're seeing the large hail. The wall cloud located probably just east now of Toole and just to the northwest of Payne Springs. It's that portion of the storm, basically right over the lake, that we're most concerned about for the potential of tornado development. Although we haven't been seeing the strong rotation with that wall cloud that we were earlier today. And again, here's the storm in Navarro County that's also had a well-developed wall cloud at times here, but the last report we had of a tornado with this storm here in Ellis County was back when it was moving through the Midlothian area. So that's good news. We haven't had any further tornado touchdowns since then.
Dan, severe thunderstorm warning continues for Henderson and Kaufman counties until 4 o'clock this afternoon. Severe thunderstorm warnings for Henderson and Kaufman counties till 4 o'clock. And Storm Spotter Dan reports quarter-size hail in Ennis at the present time. Now,